Hey everyone, this is Peter with GoodyReader.com, and we have the Likebook Muses. I'm not sure where they're coming up with the names. I'm sure it has to do with something Latin or Greek or something like that. This is the latest and greatest 2019 7.8-inch device from Likebook. The reason they made this is because they saw great success with the Mars, they saw great success with the Mimas, and they said, well, we have a bunch of Marses left over. Everyone likes the Mimuses. Why don't we combine the two into one? Which they basically did. This is the Muses, and what this means is that it has pretty much all of the power of the Mimas in the Mars shell. So this thing is going to be a heavy hitter for 2019 so far. You do have an aluminum backing, you have stereo speakers, you have Torx screws to actually service your device, you have USB-C, power button, status indicator light. You have nothing on either of the sides, it seems, and you have a brand new button at the bottom. This one wasn't there on the Mars. And you do have a sunken screen and bezel, but it is beveled on the side here, so you get a little 45-degree angle drop, and then you get a little bit of stylistic stuff down here as well. This thing is really well built. It feels really nice in the hand. The back is aluminum, so it's nice and cold and strong. You don't get that weird snap in between the battery and the backing. This is a very nice looking device so far, but we won't know until we review it now, will we? So inside you also get a screen protector, and the screen protector is wrapped in its own protective sleeve. So that's really nice because, well, this thing is a sunken screen and bezel and it's not running glass, so you will need some sort of screen protection. Now opening up the rest of the box here, we have some other stuff. This is where all your goodies are going to be, because you have your stylus. And your stylus is going to be really important because this thing is a note-taking device. I wouldn't say first and foremost, but it is billing itself as a note-taking device. So this is a standard Wacom stylus that you can actually use on other products like Onyx and Jezitech and pretty much any Boyue product that has Wacom screens. So if you lose yours, it doesn't cost $130 like the one for the DPT, CP1, or RP1. You do get some replacement nibs as well and a removal tool, so that's really cool. And you get your USB-C, one end USB-C, one end USB for transferring data and charging the device. Here is your user manual. We're not going to go through every single page of this, although you know what, I guess we could do a little flyby because it looks pretty simple here. Let's go to the English side really quick, and we'll just show you guys panel by panel. And you guys can pause the video on those three panels and backtrack if you see fit. It's past QC pass. That's a kind of a Asian FCC kind of thing. So that's basically it. Here is the Muses. It's very well laid out in the way they package their items, and you know, they give everything to you at a bargain price effectively, because this thing isn't as expensive as other things in its class, I should say, and they give you a free case. Yes, an actual case, and we will do a quick unboxing on this. We're not going to do a separate video on the case because, well, you know, you don't really need that, but this is the case they give you. It is a hard back with a sleep cover. The only thing we must note, it is not magnetic, but it does have a loop, and it does have felt on the inside, so you're not going to damage your device. And it is a silicone structure, so it is hard, but it has some give, so it's not going to scratch your device. Everything is cut out for the holes for the speakers and everything like that. So this is the Muses unboxing. If you guys have any other questions, comments, or concerns, let us know. For GoodyReader.com, this is Peter.